Hi, I'm Susie Boyd, and we're at Molto Bene restaurant in Jupiter, Florida, which is routinely rated as America's richest town. Now, Molto Bene serves America's wealthiest and has developed an only the best will do philosophy. So when owners Jennifer and Rick Orsi heard about the ENVIROVISION program, they quickly saw 10 advantages. Come on, let's go inside and meet the Orsis.
It became obvious to us that Florida residents were very concerned about their health and environment when they passed the smoking ban. And to have the safest food, air, and water for our customers is very important to us.
The concept, developed by Rgf Environmental Group, provides a facility with safe, purified air, water, and food. The process encompasses a broad spectrum of natural, non-chemical oxygen and light source-based environmental technologies, combined with conservation for a total eco-friendly yet sustainable environment. Get this, according to the Centers for Disease Control, food illnesses strike 76 million people a year, and food poisoning is 34% higher than it was in 1948. In fact, just one publicized case of food poisoning in a restaurant can land that restaurant into bankruptcy court. The use of photohydroionization technology safely and effectively destroys foodborne pathogens on food surfaces, and it increases shelf life of perishables. All right, we're in Molto Bene's kitchen right now with President of Rgf Environmental Group, Ron Fink. So Ron, tell me about this equipment in here. For instance, what is that?
Well, that's an air purification system. It's a photohydroionization system that purifies the air. Kitchens traditionally have a lot of airborne grease and odor, and that takes the grease out as well as killing the odor and the airborne bacteria, increasing food shelf life. Next to it, we have a food sanitation system. Again, it's another photohydroionization system that can increase the food shelf life up to 40% by killing the surface bacteria on the food. Over here, we have an ice sanitation system that uses photohydroionization to pump the gases into the ice maker to help kill listeria, which is a serious problem with food illnesses in restaurants today. Over there, we have a photohydroionization water system that provides water that is very aggressive in cleaning fruits and vegetables to get chlorine, pesticides, and bacteria off the surfaces of the fruits and vegetables. We also provided a water treatment system for the potable or drinking water in the restaurant. It's a reverse osmosis system. It's a 4-stage system that provides 99% pure water for the patrons.
So basically, this is a sanitized kitchen.
It's about as safe as you can get, providing the purest water, air, and food possible.
All right, and now for the big question, Ron, how much?
A restaurant this size, they were very helpful during the installation, about $10,000.
The benefits include a safer environment, lower utility costs, reduced liability and civil lawsuits, elimination of environmental compliance liability, reduction of employee sick time, all resulting in improved public image and enhanced quality of the overall facility. Now I'm joined by Walter Ellis. He's the Vice President of Rgf Environmental Group. And you know, Walter, the one thing that I notice when I walk into Molto Bene restaurant here in Jupiter is that the air seems very clean. How is that?
What we've done, we've installed our HVAC systems. Look up here at the little white box. What it does is it takes the air in the room, and as it goes through to either heated or cooled, it travels past our unit. There's treated to reduce mold, bacteria, viruses, as well as odor. It continues down the duct where it's also being treated, and then exits into the room.
And all from that little box.
That's it.
ENVIROVISION technology is based on basic natural science purifiers with friendly oxidizers. By friendly, we mean natural oxidizers that revert back to basic oxygen and hydrogen after the oxidation process is completed. A typical ENVIROVISION technology is advanced oxidation technology. This high-intensity, hydrated, targeted ultraviolet light-based technology is trademarked as photohydroionization. You know, resorts, hospitals, cruise ships, food processors, and restaurants are all embracing ENVIROVISION. It is a practical, realistic approach that helps preserve our natural resources, food, air, water, and energy. The process encompasses a broad spectrum of natural, non-chemical, oxygen and light source-based environmental technologies. All right, well, this really all comes down to money for a lot of restaurants. And joining me now is Rick Hill. He's the Director of Sales for Rgf Environmental. So why would someone spend $10,000 on the ENVIROVISION program?
Because the kind of clientele that a restaurant like this is going to attract, the upscale clientele, these people are extremely aware of the issues of air, food, and water safety. So when you've got a sticker on the door that says, "We care, environmentally friendly," you've got a plaque hanging in the restaurant that explains that this is an enviro-friendly atmosphere. When those patrons come here, they're going to know that they're getting extra service and that this restaurant cares about their safety.
I'm here with RGF's Vice President and Attorney Sharon Reinheimer. We're talking about the legal issues right now. So Sharon, from a legal standpoint, why is the ENVIROVISION program so important?
Well, the ENVIROVISION program is very important to restaurant owners because it can help them be proactive as opposed to reactive in providing food safety technologies that can reduce airborne or foodborne microbials.
But what if you do get sued and you have this technology? Is that going to help you at all?
Of course, it will help to mitigate the damages if you show them that you have the best available food safety technologies in place.